Good wishes, dear students. Now, in this part, we will continue with the style of chapter 2, Old Man at the Bridge. Irony style has also been used. Irony, that is the manifestation of the double meaning, is persistent in Hemingway's stories. In The Old Man at the Bridge, the action of the story is set on Easter Sunday, the day when Jesus Christ rose from the dead on the third day after he was crucified. That is, after Good Friday, Friday on which it is believed that Jesus Christ was hanged on the cross, has given his life. From that third day that comes Easter Sunday, it is being celebrated as Easter Sunday, the resurrection day on which he was again reborn. So thus Easter is symbolically viewed as a welcome time of rebirth, renewal and possible change. However, for the old man at the bridge, this day meant inevitable death, and the destruction of that was meaningful to him. The meaning of this day was resurrection, the day of rebirth. Everything positive should be done, but here irony was that on this special day, on this holy day, this man, particular old man, was facing a great difficulty in his life, and every people were running for their life. The image of the resurrected Christ is like the image of the old man's dove being released from their cage, both being symbols of hope and peace. Dove always being a symbol of peace. So just like Jesus Christ resurrected, the dove, which was the pet of this old man, was being to be released from their cage. The soldier, however, is not hopeful about the old man's fate. He bitterly remarks that all the good luck that old man would ever have was the fact that the artillery planes of the enemy could not fly that day. The old man is worried about his animals, but not about himself. In fact, his animals have a better chance of survival than the old man. Animals would flew away from at different places. They will survive. They will have more chance than this particular old man. But it was the old man's fate that he will survive, as was wished by the soldier. Now, symbolism. Hemingway used symbolism in his work to interpret imaginatively the complex reality of his times. His symbols are concrete, condensed, and telling metaphors for a character, a situation, an event, or even a whole range of experience. That is why Hemingway's symbolism used tip of the iceberg principle, that is a visible sign of something invisible. The small tip of the iceberg on the surface of water is suggestive of its 7 times large mass under the surface. The symbols used in the story Old Man at the Bridge are the following. So some symbols have also been used. That means which was engraved, meaningful things were there more than what was being shown in the story. So reader have to think more about the situation of the war and its calamities which are being brought by the war. The Imbro River in The Old Man at the Bridge is symbol of the old man's life journey. His life is going to be changed by the war. He is going to experience a new life in Barcelona after leaving San Carlos and passing the river. A journey down a river is often a metaphor for life's journey or a character's journey. Here the Imbro River pushes the old man towards a change, a new life. The river can also be a metaphor for the passage of time or the stages of a human life. The animals of the story also stands for different qualities. The pigeons, for example, represent peace and harmony, and the fact that they fly away. Pigeon, that is being referred to dove. If you will see biologically, pigeon and dove both are different species. But here in this story, pigeon and dove has been used as one. So they fly away from the war is a reference to the refugees who flee from the war to safer place. The cat, being a symbol of independence, does not need anybody to survive. The goat is used as a sacrificial animal and this represents the old man and his situation like a goat which is sacrificed. The old man's fate is sealed. So his fate was being used just like the goat to be sacrificed. The bridge in the story symbolizes the point of no return for the old man. If he crosses over, he may be safe, but he must give up all that he loves in San Carlos if he stays. However, he will mostly likely share the fate of animals he cared for in San Carlos. The bridge is a symbol of uncertainty and danger. What will happen to the next part of the river was depending on the bridge. If he will cross the bridge, he will reach to the safe place. So these are the feelings most of the people have during wartime. In contrast to this stands the fact that the story takes place on Easter Sunday, a holiday that stands for hope and faith in God. The feelings of the refugees probably stand in the same contrast. On the one hand, they feel very frightened and worried, but on the other hand, they do not want to lose hope. So if he would cross the river, he will start a new life. But he was fixed with his memories which were in San Carlos. That's why he was not thinking to cross the bridge. That happens with the refugees who leave their place, who leave their hometowns to move and shift to other place. So that was being represented by the bridge. Now another symbol is the day. Is described as a grey overcast day with low ceiling. The grey color here is a symbolic of old age, sadness and something boring. By this sentence, Hemingway tries to establish an atmosphere of sadness, loneliness and destruction which was brought about by the war. At the beginning of the story, Hemingway has described the appearance of the old man as wearing black dusty clothes with a grey dusty face. By using the black and the grey colors, he is suggesting what is sad and gloomy. Here it means that how much the old man was destroyed by the war, both emotionally and physically. So black and grey colors are showing sadness and what he has lost in his life. Some critical appreciation is also there, that is conflict in the story. The story Old Man at the Bridge has two levels of conflict. First is, one of the conflict is that between man and his inner self, which is seen in the character of the old man. The old man is guilty of leaving his animals behind for the fear of fire by the artillery. He is struggling with his inner self as he feels he has not done justice to the animals. He was supposed to protect them. So he was feeling guilty that if he would have stayed in San Carlos, he would have saved his pets. So this inner feeling of grievances was there in the old man. Thus crossing the bridge would have protected him physically, but would not have given him psychological and inner peace. Second conflict in the story is man against another man, is the other conflict in the story. In times of war, a man causes pain and suffering to another man. He fights with his own race for seemingly greater good. But that should not be there. Being a human being, we should love others also, because they are also human beings. But here, Hemingway has shown the picture of struggling man and want to engrave other mans for their own good. So here it has been shown. The fascists who attacked the city in the story are after the helpless civilians, as symbolized by the old man. Man's inhumanity to man. forces the old man to leave his hometown. He does not have anyone to consider as his family in the form of human beings, but he has a few pets who are his own. He has to leave them behind. Deprived of any hope, he sits near the bridge waiting for his death. So his pets were his hope. He loves his pets so much. He don't want to leave San Carlos. But due to war, he was pressurized and was compelled to leave his hometown, and he has left his pets on their fate and moved away. But from inner feeling, he was feeling grievances that he has left his pet. If he would be there, he would have saved them. But other side, if you will see, the old man was at greater risk than his pets, and it was his fate also, as he was believing that pets fate will save them. In the same way, this old man's fate was there, that he will survive or not. So this how we have completed the story Old Man at the Bridge. Question answers which are given in workbook already you have done in 9th class, because we have completed this chapter in 9th class. In this video classes I am just doing the revision. Those who have not completed the questions till now, please complete it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in online classes, okay, and prepare you well for your final examinations. Okay, thank you students, thank you so much.